Hey gang, it's like 9:51 p.m. so it's too early for Poppy After Midnight. So I'm going to take another stab at recording Heart Health 5. The aftermath of your heart attack. If you survive. Only 1 in 10 men, that's important, men, survive their first heart attack. We're lucky. For women, it's 5%. I mean, well, they're superior to us in everything else, so sad. Yeah. Anyway, you have your heart attack. You survive. You wake up in the hospital. You're all messed up. You know you're alive because every part of your body hurts. Right? And you got these stitches in your chest. Yeah, that's it. That's the zipper. That's the heart surgery zipper. I'm a member of the Zipper Club. It's rather exclusive. You gotta be one of 10% to survive your first heart attack. And then you gotta have bypass surgery, like I had 5-way at the age of 49. My dad waited till he was 55 to have 3-way. Beat you, Dad! What a way to get better than Daddy, huh? Okay. For the heart attack, I was just coming back, building up business, $1 million inventory, finished goods, raw materials, and parts. And that's not talking my, equipment, tools, materials that weren't, the expensive stuff, and supplies, the ancillaries and disposables. The stuff you use up because you got no choice. You want the work to be right, you gotta use it up. Anyway, sold off the inventory, and so what I've got left is my personal tools. Well, work with what you got. And hey, a sit down shop, like a shear line equipped shop, this is what I'm running, is perfect. You can't stand up at the lathe or milling machine no more because the cardiologist said sit down at work. So you get a job with a small machine where you can sit and do it, be ultra precise. And remember the glory days. Don't have that heart attack. Stop smoking. That tobacco's gonna kill you. Go on a diet. Fat overworks your heart. It's too late to pick your parents better so you don't get a congenital, a hereditary disposition to heart disease. So, stop smoking. Go on a diet. Mild exercise, but don't work yourself into a heart attack with the exercise. Moderation.